To change the band on your Olevs watch, start by placing it face down on a table and open it to ease access to the attachment point. Then, using a sharp and rigid object, apply inward pressure on the pin right here while pulling on the band. There you go. It's now detached. The tool I used is specifically designed for this purpose. You can order it through the link in the description. It comes with a complete kit for maintaining your watch and is very affordable. If the band still holds a bit on your watch, use plier to remove the pin. Your band will now be released. At least, once you've done the same on the other side. Then, your watch will be free. To install your new band, simply reinsert the pin into it, then insert it into one of the cavities of one of the logs of your watch. Press the other hand of the pin onto the opposite log. Finally, push it inside the log using the small tool or even your fingernail if you have some. Then, move the pen until the pin enters the cavity. The spring will do its job to hold everything in place. Now, if you're looking for a new band, make sure to order the right size. Often, the size is indicated on the band or the watch, but that's not the case for this one. Check on the manufacturer's website to make sure you order the correct size. In this case, it's a 20mm. If you need to order a new band, you can shop using the link in the description. That's it for today. I hope the video was helpful.